How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out super cool little 63 Chevy 2 Nova SS. Super nice little car. Original panel car, very clean. A lot of original trim on the car. They did a steel cowl hood on it. See, the grill and the headlight bezels are all the originals. Really good condition. Bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the accessory grill guard on the bumper. Car looks real good down the sides. It's all base coat, clear coat black. I tell you, with the red interior, it is sexy. It's a nice little car. All the side trim and stuff, it's original. It's in good condition. Same with all the trim on the deck lid and the tail lights. It's all the original. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the little bumper guards. Car's nice and straight on the sides. Nice set of Chevy rallies on it and some spinner caps. It's got a 350 in it, aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, electronic ignition. It's been updated with power front disc brakes. It's all detailed nice, looks good under the hood. It's got 2-speed power glide trans, shifts real good. It's all the interior, the jams look real nice. The interior's all been redone. It's all the factory interior. Even the clock works. Got the original bucket seats, original center console. All inside the trunk looks real nice. I like these little 63 to 5 Novas. They're just cool little cars, especially the hard tops. I like the roof line. It's got a retro AM/FM radio with the iPod capability in it. I mean, it repainted the dash. Everything looks excellent. All the carpets new. Just a fun little car. Got the factory exhaust manifolds and the duals out the back. Sounds real good. It's got a nice little rumble to it. It's nothing radical. Just great cruiser. Yeah, the car drives real nice. Rides on the road great. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Say, that's a nice little 63 Nova SS there. Have a great day, folks.